Welcome to the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This historic gem is nestled in the heart of downtown, surrounded by beautiful floral backdrops that set the perfect scene. Let's go ahead and step inside. As we step inside, we're greeted by the breathtaking entryway. Look at these gorgeous chandeliers and light fixtures in this grand staircase. The Amway Grand Plaza Hotel is a landmark in Grand Rapids with over 600 elegantly appointed rooms. The hotel offers a range of amenities, including a fitness center, spa, multiple dining options, and an indoor pool. The ambiance here combines classic charm with modern comfort, making it an ideal choice for both leisure and business travelers. Here we are at the Grand Bar with its stunning pillars and floor-to-ceiling windows. This elegant space is perfect for relaxing and enjoying a drink. Now, let's check out our room. We stayed in room 692, a spacious king suite. This room boasts floor-to-ceiling windows, a comfortable king bed, a full shower, a refrigerator, and a television. Everything you need for a luxurious stay. And the views, gorgeous. Next, we have room 693, where my mom and son stayed, which is right next door. This room features 2 cozy queen beds, also with floor-to-ceiling windows, a full shower, a refrigerator, and a television. Perfect for a family getaway. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and download my 15-page 4-day Grand Rapids travel guide, packed with everything to see, do, and eat in this amazing city. See you next time.